Hello, I received your question. You were doing okay until this step here. I think you were messing up on this step. Let me change it to blue. You were messing up on that step. You were applying the formula, you subtracted and got to minus 0.05. You were multiplying and dividing, and you got to 0.00117. Where you messed up is you need to take the square root of that number, and you get 0.034213, and then divide the numerator by that number, and you get to negative 1.46. You were dividing and then taking the square root. You need to take the square root of the denominator and then divide, and you'll get the correct answer. Also, you can use technology, StatCrunch or the calculator, and just put in these values, P and Q and N, and it'll spit out this negative 1.46. You don't, or you can. It's okay to use the formula though. Hope this helps.